Guys, apparently we won Best Bagger of the Night. To bike night, and I just wanted to show you the shirt I have on. It's called it says the Sauce from 305, and I'm wearing the All-American hat. I also wanted an All-American shirt, but they're out of stock because everybody buys them. But I wanted to show you this. Look at this hat here. This is from South Florida Baggers, and you can get one yourself as well. I went ahead and bought these here. It's pretty cool, right? You can get this shirt. They got these shirts here, like this designs, and I'll tag their website there, but they got this one here. It's the same shirt I have on, but on white. And this is like their new logo here, their new version. Or I think it's coming out just on the website. And of course, I had to get a hoodie with a 305 sauce. So I figured it was perfect while I was down here, and I wanted to show you guys that that's what I'm be wearing tonight. So I don't know what bike night's gonna be like over here. It's not over at the cafe place, but I was invited with some of the guys, and we're gonna go check it out. So let's go to bike night. Hi.
147, right?
Yeah. What's up, brother? What's up? Hey, what's going on, man? Thank you. So we just parked? Yeah, dude. What's going on?
Everybody know you.
Oh, yeah. What's up, brother? How's it going, man? Where do I park? Where do I park? Yeah? Wherever? Hey guys, I pulled up. I meet a couple of my buddies. You're on camera, yes, and then we're gonna cut it up, man.
Yeah, let's go.
We're here at bike night, man, and the Polaris is showing up. My man Joey here with the heavy bangers. Hero right here with his awesome bike right here. It's also a banger from All American, and a bunch of the sport bikes out here that's all so fast, and Joey and I parked right over there in the middle. Bike night still going. Look who showed up. My man right here, Walfie, on the purple berry, I believe, CDO, rocking it. And yeah, man, I mean, this bad boy here is a hitter, man. What's up, dog?
What up?
How much, man?
I told you to come.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, man. Shit. Where does he want me to take it? What? He wants me to take it somewhere. Over there? Oh, yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. Hey guys, I don't know what's happening, but they told me to bring the bike up in the middle, so we're gonna find out.
Where we at? 84.
Marina 84, yeah. All American build, painted by Jace, Bamco, Ferrari Designs. I mean, JB Cycle Works.
I know what's going on, but I'm not telling you.
Oh man.
I'm telling you what's going on.
Yeah. Okay, I got off the bike, but it's like literally in the middle of the driveway here. Other thing, I guess. I don't know what's going on, but Yeah, Joey pointed out, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the laser from the Hard Rock. I hope it comes out. That's crazy. That's a high beam. Look.
Well, needless to say that you won the best bagger of the night. Here you go, big dog. We need you to hold this up.
Like this?
Right there. So,
Hey,
Oh, look at that, guys. Cool, man. A ver aquí. This is amazing. Everybody's so cool. Yeah, man. There you go, man.
Guys, let's take care of that business first. Okay. Hold on. Can you stand both of you guys over the next one?
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, brother. Anytime.
If you stand over there so these girls can be next to you.
Yeah, yeah. In the back? Probably in the back, right? So we show the bike? Yeah? Okay. Here we go.
Have the cash on as well.
Oh, yeah.
You got 50. Not free.
Bam.
should have gave them singles.
Yeah. Thank you, girls. Appreciate it.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Second winner of the night.
Guys, apparently we won Best Bagger of the Night. I didn't know it was going to happen. These guys knew about it before I was, but man, it's amazing having the great hospitality. Winning $50 on the road trip. I mean, it's going to help me for you know, for the fund, right? Get a little bit of money back, man.
Hey, you came out, had fun, and got paid.
Yeah, and hey, big shout out to my man right here, Wild Free. Another guy that you don't want to meet on the streets, man. Let me tell you. Man, Mojo showed up. Oscar from O Excavations. What's up, baby? What's up, man? ¿Cómo andamos, eh? Ahí está.
Awesome.
Yeah.
La moto más bonita en los Estados Unidos.
Wow, gracias, gracias, gracias. Well, guys, that was it for bike night. I hope I do a good job editing this because I had so much fun and trying to start this bike up here, put it in neutral. And yeah, so we're gonna head on out. And it was a great time for Lauderdale. Everybody, All American Cycle was good. And tomorrow's another day.
153 fast, guys.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Good time, man. Good time. Now we're heading out. There's a lot of sports bike out there, but out here. But you know what? That's cool because I gotta go this way. Which way do I go? Oh, I gotta go around. Okay, I got it. I'm a little lost here, but essentially I have to go around and around with these sport bikes, which is pretty cool, I think, you know. Anyhow, yeah, so I got the Best Bagger award today, or I won it, but it was awesome, man. And now I'm gonna head home to my beautiful family, and I guess we go this way. I'm a little lost, but I'm just gonna follow these gentlemen, or this crew here, and we're gonna have a good time. Looks like they're gonna open up. I was supposed to go north. I got it. Anyhow, please like the video and subscribe because the next one is gonna be great. It's gonna be great and awesome. Man, this bike's awesome. Man, this bike's awesome. Thanks, George, and the entire All American crew. Dang. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.